In this recording, we're going to be looking at how to use the wind loading wizard in a rail design. The first thing to mention is that you need to have a building added and calculated, and the rail design needs to sit under this building within the tree. So we'll go to the rail design. First thing to do is to go to the wind loading wizard. Opens the interface like this. We add a zone by clicking the plus. Here are the inputs for the zone. First thing to do is to select which face you'd like to add the zone to. We'll go for face 4. We want to start it in the first base. We'll leave that at 0. Z refers to the height. We want to do the full face of the building, so leave that at 0. The length, we've got 6 meter base, so we're going to call that 6, and our rail length is also 6. The centers of the rails are 1.5. Then we hit refresh to apply those. We can now go straight over and have a look at the calculated pressures. Add another zone in if we wanted to do an inner bay. We then add the diameter 6 and then copy the other information down, and then calculate to add it. There you go. I've put it on the wrong face, so now we need to adjust that. Recalculate, and you can see it's been added. You can see the pressure is the same between the two zones, but the suction has reduced on the inner bay, which looks correct. Save that. Go to a rail example I've got set up. Change the centers to 1.5. That it's too critical on the rail design. We've got 6 meter span. We'll come down to wall wind loads. We're going to go to wind analysis. We'll start off by doing an end bay edit. We could check that, bay number 1. Highlight it. Say apply selected. I'm going to say apply selected instead of apply maximum, because apply selected just applies this zone. If you hit apply maximum, it will apply the maximum suction and the maximum pressure for the entire building. So apply selected. You've now got your wind loads brought through. You can calculate, or you can optimize and then calculate. And that is how to apply it to that. Now, if you had a double spanning section, you would then come back into here and apply your inner bay to the inner span and your end bay to the end span. Optimize your design, calculate. Thank you.